The 2024 China International Industry Fair held in Shanghai from September 24th to 28th. With over 20 years of innovation and development, it has become a professional, market-driven, international, and branded event. Next, join us as we explore the exciting highlights and vibrant atmosphere of the exhibition. Discover the latest innovations, cutting-edge technologies, and groundbreaking solutions showcased by industry leaders at this prestigious event. We established in 2010 and specialize in the production of high-precision linear motion components. Boasting a skilled team with expertise in research and development, manufacturing, and quality assurance. With state-of-the-art precision equipment, CSK can manufacture linear guideways with an accuracy of upgrade, making it one of the few global manufacturers capable of producing such high-quality products. In recent times, CIIF has been actively expanding its product range to include linear motor stages, modules, direct drive rotary motors, and other precision transmission systems, offering tailored solutions to meet customer needs. CSKH has been committed to delivering world-class products and services at competitive prices and with short lead times.